Hello, this is John from Shanghai Battery Industry. Today, I will introduce our evaporator. Our evaporator includes two parts. One part is the vacuum pump. This is the vacuum pump. This two tank is used for protecting vacuum pump. The rest part, we can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4 tanks. This is the evaporation pump. This tank is the steam generator. We can see there is the vacuum gauge and the temperature gauge. The temperature gauge is explosion proof. This tank is connected with the steam generator. This tank is the filter. The filter is the jacket. This pump is the circulation pump. This tank is the evaporator. The liquid will be stored in this tank. And this whole part is the storage tank with the condenser. This one is the condenser. So when we start this evaporator, we need open the vacuum pump first. After the vacuum pump working, the vacuum pump will provide the vacuum condition for whole part. After the vacuum condition is on 0.08 MPa, we start steam generator to produce the steam. The steam will enter into the outer layer of the jacket. This pipeline is the filter privatization. And then we open the circulation pump and pump the liquid from the evaporator into the layer of the jacket. The liquid will be heated in the filter. So the temperature of the liquid in the evaporator will be increased. So the solvent will be evaporated and then go into the condenser and stored in the storage tank for use. That's all my introduction. If you have interest, please contact us.